YouTube and Facebook, Miles and Cayman here with Advanced Cleaning Systems. This is our second job of the day. We're at Berry College. We're actually cleaning a cottage they have here. This is the furniture we'll be cleaning: 2 sofas, a love seat, and a club chair. Very hairy, as you can see down in the creases of everything. We've already moved all these cushions up. Everything needs to be vacuumed. You always want to remove your dry soil, even on furniture, just like we do with carpet, because if you wet this hair, it will be very hard to remove once you're cleaning. So we're going to get started. I'm going to put this on the pre-vacuum vlog, switch it up a little bit. We always do carpet for the pre-vacuum vlog, so this is going to be a little different. So we're going to be using this little vacuum right here. This is a Hoover, simple like that. Turn it on right there, and we'll get started. Get that brush. Just bring the spotting bag, the whole spotting bag. I'm gonna have Cayman going ahead of me and brushing off all of this hair. The brush is made just for pet hair and stuff like that. I'm not going to be recording this whole thing. It's going to take a little minute to go and do all of this. So I'll probably do a couple of them, and then I'll cut to the end and show you what came out. We can see what's in here, but I'm going to show you what it all looks like in a bag. Do these right here on this, because I didn't really do it too good. Let me see that brush. See it? These are rubber. I don't know how it works so good, but it does. It works magic on pet hair. Look at all that. I'm ready to see how, oh my goodness, look at that, Cayman. I'm ready to see how full this thing is going to be. Oh my. So Cayman's going to go ahead and brush all that off with our pet brush, and I'm going to just vacuum this. Figured it'd be pretty satisfying. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see us vacuuming all of this off, so we knocked it all down to this, vacuumed all this already, so just left the best part for you. So here you go. Look at all that. Oh my goodness. still having to go back on these on the bottom pieces with that brush because these pieces of hair seem like they're sticking down in this. So to get all of it off, we're just going right back over it because we really don't want to wet this. Dog hair is super hard to get off when it's wet. I wonder what their house would look like if it was carpet in here. That'd probably be a full bag. This is just a couch. Alright, I'm going to take that brush and go along this some more and get all those hairs off. But it looks a lot better already. But you can see they're dirty right here. It's dirty in certain places. Should clean up fine. But honestly, it looks a whole bunch better without this hair on here. So we're just going to keep it moving. And I'll see you once we get to the bottom of this one. Get all those corners up down in here. Look. Do that side. Getting these creases real good. I'm gonna go back over with this vacuum. What don't come up, sweep it up with that brush. Alright, that's good. You know how to open this vacuum right here? Hold on, I'll show you. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. We are finally done with this thorough pre-vacuum of the hairiest with the emphasis on it. We're done with the hairiest living room set pre-vacuum that I've ever seen in my life. we're going to show you everything that we pre-vacuumed, and Cayman is going to take the bag out of here. Turn it up like that. And pull it out. And then he's going to dump it right here. Look at these cushions. Looking good, looking good. I think we did a pretty good job. It looks a lot different already. If y'all can see, it's not too much light in here. But all this hair is gone. Gave it a thorough pre-vacuum, and this is what came out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hit it out like that. Now that is something else. Flip it back and put it in there, and I'm gonna suck it back up. Look at that. I have never seen that in my life. That's crazy. Look at all that dry soil. Alright, go ahead and put it in there so I can vacuum it back up. But yeah, this is what came out of 2 sofas, a love seat, and a club chair. Now we are going to get started on the cleaning. But before I end this pre-vacuum vlog, I want to suck it back up for you guys.
Break this up for you.
Yep, he's gonna break that up. Alright. Here we go. Break it up a little bit more. Alrighty. That will conclude our pre-vacuum vlog number 9, I believe. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that and the bell also, and check us out online at WeFightDirty.com.